Sitting on a shady corner lot in the desirable Forest Park neighborhood of North Arlington, this 1950s home boasts a move-in ready remodel, a reasonable price, and a great location. Presented by Chase Hansen, your DFW Realtor, this is 1200 Barker Street in Arlington, Texas. It was listed at the beginning of September 2023 for $330,000. If you enjoy the home tour, be sure to like this video and let me know what you think of the house in the comments. You enter the house into an open-concept living space with tons of natural light and views into the large backyard. The ceilings have been vaulted to give a ton of height and space. The original hardwood floors have been refinished in a beautiful dark walnut color, and this living room flows comfortably into a brand new kitchen. The kitchen is fully redone with new white shaker cabinets, a large island, beautiful quartz counters, and a stunning mirrored backsplash. The result is clean, stylish, has plenty of storage, and ready to host a party or serve family dinner. The kitchen is also open to a second living space that features a wood-burning fireplace, as well as additional storage perfect for a second family room or formal dining room. Moving to the other end of the house, we have the 3 bedrooms. The master is a good size with plenty of room for a king bed and 2 closets. The ensuite is a full bathroom with a shower and the charm of original features like a stained glass window and classic 50s mint green tile. The owner was transferred before she could remodel, but has actually enclosed a hall closet to add space for a master bath remodel, so there's a ton of potential here. The hall bathroom has been fully remodeled, but also offers that charm with a beautiful vanity piece as well as the same stained glass window, but with fresh tile and a nice modern shower. The wood floors even continue into the secondary bedrooms, which both offer plenty of light and space. A beautiful house that brings together modern updates with classic charm. Moving into the backyard, we have a spacious patio for hanging out or entertaining, along with plenty of space for pets and kids and a tall 8-foot privacy fence, along with a large powered shed that has additional covered parking to the house's 2-car garage. This is all in a super private rear entry driveway that takes full advantage of the house's corner lot. This is an amazing house, and it really is difficult to find something of this quality in this area and price point. If you'd like to book a private showing, ask any questions about the house, or get personalized advice for your real estate needs, whether you're buying a house or interviewing agents to sell your house, I'd love to talk. My email is chasehansen@remax.net, or you can contact me on Instagram at HansenRealtorsDFW. My name is Chase Hansen. I'm a realtor serving the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think of the house in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.